By using a pad, you have the opportunity to develop the more mechanical side of playing the drums, developing control, speed, hand technique and muscle memory for sticking patterns in an arguably more focused way. Plus, putting in time on a pad allows you to focus on the nuances of these areas for extended periods, without the ear fatigue that even a softly played snare drum could induce. There are many products available to best beginner practice pad, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. Everyone buys this product in the current market. You can also buy for other benefits. Everyone likes my product reviews. I hope you like it too. Please subscribe to my channel and check the description box. Number 1. Slim Drum Pad Stand Kit Practice Drum Pad Set. Practice anywhere, anytime where you're just learning to play the drums and looking for that perfect portable practice drum pad set. Are you trying to find a high-quality drum pad to use for snare drum practice? Get started with this Slim Drum Practice Pad Set. You can easily practice your skills at home or in the outdoors. Durable for kids' use and well built to last for years. Portable and lightweight, take this snare drum with stand anywhere as it's easy to set up and disassemble. Premium double-sided drum pad, lightweight and sturdy. This premium double-sided drum practice pad kit is specially designed for a real drum practice experience. The primary side features a non-toxic, slightly textured, high-density natural elastic rubber that offers the feel of a real drum when used. The back is equipped with a softer rubber that provides a less ribbon surface. The drum sides are mounted on a high-quality, robust wood frame, created to deliver a fantastic experience. Number 2. Evans Realfeel Drum Practice Pad. Practice anytime, anywhere. Evans Realfeel Drum Practice Pad provides the best practice substitute to acoustic drums, so you can practice rudiments, paradiddles or just drum along to that song on the radio without disturbing anyone. Portable and quiet, it works on any surface including carpet, table, lap or inside a standard snare basket. Single-sided drum pad. Features a slightly textured natural gum rubber for realistic stick ribbon that provides the best practice substitute to an acoustic drum. Available in 3 sizes. A variety of Realfeel drum practice pads are available to suit individual practice requirements, including a 6 practice pad, 7 apprentice practice pad, and a 12 practice pad, not mountable. Number 3. Silent Drum Practice Pad. Double-sided drum pad. This drum practice pad is the perfect gift for drummers and offers an authentic playing experience with great ribbon. Just like a real drum set, the drum pad is excellent for practicing your skills, whether you are a newbie or an advanced percussionist. Practice pad. The 12 rubber foam drum pad is equipped with a special layer, so you can enjoy playing the drums without disturbing your family, roommates or neighbors. Improve your technique with the pad, no worry from noise complaints. Drum practice pads. The qualitative material contributes to supreme durability. The one robust wood, a gray playing side with a silicone layer and a black bottom side with EVA polymer mat, which ensures your pad won't move. Number 4. Remo RT00080008 Great tunable practice pad. Efficiently mount the rubber pad on a standard tabletop, no matter where you are. Designed with the look, feel, and bounce of a real drum for the most accurate practice. The perfect tool for beginner or advanced drummers to learn and maintain proper techniques. Features a sleek black finish with high-impact gray plastic housing for a professional look. Offers a muffled sound response with the ability to change the feel of the pad by tuning it. Number 5. Electronic Drum Set. Portable and professional drum. Paxis electronic drum set includes 1 snare, 3 toms, 1 crash, 1 ride, 1 hi-hat, and 2 foot pedals. Play the sound of bass drum. This roll-up drum kit offers 5 timbres, 8 demo songs and 3 rhythms. You can play different music styles. Kids can put this set in their backpacks when they go outdoor. Rechargeable battery. This 7-pad practice drum set is powered by a built-in 2400 mAh rechargeable lithium-ion battery, up to 10 hours of playtime per charge. You will be able to take it with you anytime and anywhere, even play outside. Earphone jack. Paxis digital drum set supports headphones. By wearing a set of headphones while you play the drum, you can be as quiet as a church mouse, while rocking out like you're playing Madison Square Garden. Not only do they make practice quieter, but electronic drums also make practicing more efficient, perfect for private practice or late-night playing.